Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Nova English. My name is Liam, and today we're going to practice English by talking about ordering food in a restaurant. This is a beginner-friendly shadowing session, so you can repeat with me slowly anytime you want. You can do this while relaxing, walking, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you like going to restaurants? Do you like going to restaurants? Today we will practice talking about ordering food in English. Today we will practice talking about ordering food in English. It's a useful topic. It's a useful topic. Talking about restaurants helps you speak naturally in English. Talking about restaurants helps you speak naturally in English. When you enter a restaurant, you greet the staff. You can say hello, hello, or good evening, good evening. You can also say table for one, please, table for one, please, or table for two, please, table for two, please. Next, you look at the menu. Next, you look at the menu. You can ask, can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? You can ask, do you have a menu in English? Do you have a menu in English? When you are ready to order, you can say, I would like, I would like, I want, I'll have, I'll have. For example, I would like a pizza. I would like a pizza. I'll have a sandwich. I'll have a sandwich. I want a salad. I want a salad. Let's practice more useful phrases. Let's practice more useful phrases. Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? Can I get the soup, please? Can I get the soup, please? I would like the chicken, please. I would like the chicken, please. Can I have the dessert menu? Can I have the dessert menu? When you order drinks, you can say, I'll have a coffee. I'll have a coffee. I want tea. I want tea. I would like juice. I would like juice. Can I have water, please? Can I have water, please? Sometimes you need to ask questions about the food. Sometimes you need to ask questions about the food. You can ask, what is this? What is this? You can ask, is it spicy? Is it spicy? You can ask, does it have meat? Does it have meat? You can ask, is it vegetarian? Is it vegetarian? When the waiter asks, would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? You can say, no, thank you. No, thank you. Or, yes, I would like a dessert. Yes, I would like a dessert. Sometimes you need to order for takeaway. Sometimes you need to order for takeaway. You can say, I would like to take this home. I would like to take this home. You can say, can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? You can say, please pack it for takeaway. Please pack it for takeaway. Let's practice some full sentences. Let's practice some full sentences. I would like a burger with fries. I would like a burger with fries. I'll have a spaghetti with meatballs. I'll have a spaghetti with meatballs. Can I have a salad with chicken, please? Can I have a salad with chicken, please? I would like a glass of orange juice. I would like a glass of orange juice. Can I get a coffee and a dessert? Can I get a coffee and a dessert? Sometimes we talk about allergies. Sometimes we talk about allergies. You can say, I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to nuts. You can say, does this contain gluten? Does this contain gluten? You can say, I cannot eat dairy. I cannot eat dairy. Let's practice questions again. Let's practice questions again. Do you like going to restaurants? Do you like going to restaurants? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Do you eat out often? Do you eat out often? Do you like to try new dishes? Do you like to try new dishes? Do you ask for recommendations? Do you ask for recommendations? Let's practice answers. Let's practice answers. Yes, I like going to restaurants. Yes, I like going to restaurants. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. I eat out once a week. I eat out once a week. I like to try new dishes. I like to try new dishes. Yes, I ask the waiter for recommendations. Yes, I ask the waiter for recommendations. Small steps help me order food in English. Small steps help me order food in English. I feel confident when I speak with the waiter. I feel confident when I speak with the waiter. Ordering food can be simple and easy if I practice regularly. Ordering food can be simple and easy if I practice regularly. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Talking about ordering food in a restaurant is simple, but very useful for daily conversation. Shadowing helps you speak fluently, clearly, and confidently. Come back tomorrow. Practice again, grow again. I'm Liam, and this is Nova English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.